Today I'm making千张炒肉, stir-fried tofu skin with pork. So first, I get some pork. 猪肉, some 千张, which is rolled tofu skin. I'm going to use about half of the package. As you noticed, I thawed the pork in some water to be able to cut it. I'm rinsing the tofu skin and unraveling it so that it doesn't get all stuck together. And I'm giving it a rinse. I'm going to set that aside. Oh, I must prepare some ingredients such as garlic. I'll use about half of a bulb of garlic. I've got to peel it, chop it, and set it aside. Put it in this little bowl here. This is a Hunan style dish, so of course it has red chili. Hong la jiao. I'll chop it up, get it into some small pieces, put it into the bowl, and by now the pork is ready to cut. So I'll cut it into thin slices. Nice and thin. I'm going to season the meat by adding some salt and some soy sauce. So I'll just rub it around to get the flavor into the meat. And I'll set that aside to marinate. So I'll prepare my vegetable dish first. I'll pour some oil into the wok. Let it get nice and hot. Put some garlic in there. Release that flavor. And add my cabbage. Ooh. Let it get a little bit soft, translucent, seasoned with some salt. And I'm going to put it on this plate here for serving. Okay, got the vegetable dish. Now, time for the 千张炒肉. Add some oil. A lot of oil. Throw in my chili and garlic. Let the flavor get into the oil. And once it's nice and hot, I'll add the meat. Oh, forgot a piece. I'll add the meat. Let it brown a little bit. Let the flavor get into the oil. Now, time to add the 千张. So now I just want to stir it around until it gets softer and all mixed together. This was my first time making Chinese food. So if you liked the video and want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see some more.
大家喜欢的话，别忘了点个赞哦。